Shocking new reality show that has people asking if television may have finally gone too far. This is a show called Eaten Alive, and, well, we believe that says it all. ABC's Rena Nynan has our story.
Remember the good old days when reality TV was all about learning survival skills?
The tribe has spoken.
Meeting the love of your life.
Will you please kiss your bride?
Or learning how to cope when people stopped being polite and started getting real.
What are you going to do, hit me?
Well, times they are a-changing.
My name is Paul Rosley. I'm about to be the first person that's going to be eaten alive by an anaconda. I don't expect anyone to believe us until we show it.
Yes, you heard that correctly. The Discovery Channel is promising us to go where American television has never gone before, with the December premiere of Eaten Alive. The name pretty much sums it up, as the network is promising filmmaker Paul Rosley will indeed be eaten alive by a giant snake after covering himself in pig's blood while wearing a custom-built suit.
It's going to be a challenge.
Now that viewers are gravitating more towards scripted shows, they have to come up with something that's really going to stand apart from the crowd and really generate a lot of buzz.
Discovery is leading the way in this shock reality with Naked and Afraid.
You're in trouble.
And Tethered.
It's extreme.
MTV joining in with Slednecks, a wintry version of their former hit Buck Wild.
Mudding is like a stress reliever.
Canceled after one season when one of its stars was killed mudding. Fortunately, Mr. Rosley, reality does seem to have some limits. The special has already been filmed, and the filmmaker is believed to have survived, along with his snake. For Good Morning America, Rena Nynan, ABC News, New York.
Believed to have survived?
Well, that's good news.
Stay tuned.
But how do you get out?
Oh, no.